Two tone.
By looking at it? Are you sure? Are you sure? How about when there's a fake eyes? Fake eyes. Okay, so how do you know it's cold? It's real eyes or not? Without touching it, right? You really think, oh, it's cold. But the fact is, it's not. Because it's fake. So, it's called part of sense of sight? Yes or no? No. 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 Okay. Okay, next we have, what is this? Colorful. This one. Crowded. What is crowded? How do you see crowded inside? Okay, there are many. Okay. A lot of people. Okay, a lot of people or many people. Okay, this one. Okay,